Hi, I'm Grady, and welcome back to the worst of the week. All right, we got the Lions kicker to start off with. This is the classic, I'm gonna get up early and get started on work. Wait, no I'm not. I'm going right back to bed. All right, we got Darnold. Hate to see those rookie QBs in these compilations. Just gonna go ahead and throw a pick. Looking like me and Madden 18. I cannot figure that game out. All right, we got Cohen in the backfield here. Oh, moving into the Wildcat. Is he gonna run it? Will he pass it? He's definitely gonna run it. He's been doing CrossFit.
Cohen hands or fakes to Gabriel and goes forward. Trubisky was in the backfield.
All right, Peterman has the ball here. And now Peterman does not have the ball. And the whole world said in unison, you know, that one actually wasn't his fault. Oh, who put that ball there? All right, Stafford's gonna take off. Then he's gonna accidentally hit the flip button instead of the turbo button. Those buttons are very close together. It's a classic left trigger, right trigger screw up.
I don't know what Matthew Stafford is thinking. I can't, that makes zero sense to me.
Flacco underneath. Crabtree fakes it. Then a pitch for Buck Allen. And Allen tosses it. It's caught by John Brown. Brown is still running. Brown will throw it across the field. Flag is down. Willie Snead working the sideline. Knocked away from Allen, and that's it.
Great Roman Gabriel. 8-0.
All right, hate to see Baker, another rookie quarterback. He's gonna get sacked, and his O-line is already hitting the film room trying to figure out what went wrong before he even hits the ground. That's how dedicated they are. They want to figure it out right away.
Wilson to the end zone and dropped. It looked like Hayward went right in front of the intended receiver. Wilson dropped. The Chargers win. Dropped by David Moore. The Chargers have won.
All right, we got Mariota here, dropping back and whoop. And that ball is bouncing around the field like a beach ball at a Nickelback concert. Shout out to the Hot Rod fans. Oh, geez, can this guy catch a break? No, he cannot. Dion Lewis should not have ate that popcorn. That ball is slippery. We hope your week was better than these plays.